Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know which Windows build you have and which NET version you expect. Open PowerShell or Command Prompt as administrator now. This avoids permission errors. Once done, decide whether you'll check registry entries or use the clrver/PowerShell commands. I'm showing the fastest path first so you don't waste time. Make sure to run elevated and note the exact version number you need, because different commands return different format outputs. You'll now run the core commands to get authoritative results. In PowerShell, query the registry. Navigate to hklm/software/Microsoft/NET framework setup/NDP and read the release key. This maps to a version number. Alternatively, run .NET info or clrver to list installed runtimes. Once you have the numeric release or runtime string, compare it to a version mapping or your target version. Make sure to note 32-bit versus 64-bit registry locations if results differ. You finish by confirming the found version equals the expected release number. That completes verification. If the framework is missing, enable it via Control Panel. Turn Windows features on or off, or download and install the correct runtime or developer pack. Once installed, restart the PC to register components, then rerun the same registry or command checks. If you still see no change, make sure you used an elevated shell and check both registry paths for 32-bit and 64-bit
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.